Second batch. Today is June 7, 2025. Update sa mga alaga. First batch, February born, 4 months old. February 6 born. Dalawang lalaki ang natira. Naaso yung dalawa. Second batch, 2 months old.